Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine Open World tutorial series. So today I am going to add another feature, actually not a feature, fix a major problem that we have in this procedural object placing system. So yeah, last time we implemented this feature. We can select individual meshes that has been placed as instanced static meshes into the world. So I can, by using this editor utility widget, now I can select each individual object and do modifications like this, and then when I finish editing, they are again converted back to instanced static meshes in the system. So now the problem is, this is all fine, but once I reload the level, now even if I save the level, when I reload it, you can see all the changes are gone. That's because I am placing these meshes in the construction script, and when I reload the level, that simulation happens again, and the things that we have modified are not persistent. So yeah, I'm going to solve that problem today so that we can actually save the changes that we have done to the level. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so to solve this problem, well, let's take an approach like this. First, yeah, I have used this procedural element structure in my procedural object to define procedural elements. For example, this statue or this ground tile or this road tile and anything. So you can see the procedural elements as an array like this. Okay, so now I'll add a new variable here. I'll call it in instance transforms. It should be in the type of transform, and it should be an array. Okay. Now, do I have any errors there? Okay, we have a small error here. Let's make array. Okay, so if you are not clear about anything I am doing here, you can refer to the previous previous 3 videos again. Okay, now I will go to the procedural object, compile it again. Yeah, that means this object. This is the logic that I place the instances of these static meshes. Well, actually, so they are placed as instanced static meshes. Okay, now here I'll add a branch, and I'll promote this condition to a variable. I'll call it simulate. If this simulate is true, I will keep simulating this code. Otherwise, I will do something like this. I will get the procedural elements, and for each procedural element, well, let me split this. I'm going to, well, basically do the same. That means this. I think I'll do this, collapse this to a new node. I'll call it load instances. If this is not valid, I have to create it. Otherwise, I can use the same thing. And then using this HISM current, well, I have to do another for each loop here. Add instance in world space. Using this transform. Alright, that's all. Wait. Okay. I need to give a reference to that one. Alright. Okay, now that's all I have to do inside this procedural object. But I don't think I would see a change yet. Right, I have to make this one public. Otherwise I won't see this simulate. Okay. And right, when I disable this, you see nothing happens. Everything vanishes actually. So yeah, I need to fix that. In order to fix that, this is what I have to do. This is a little messy actually, but yeah, you're already familiar with the system, so I don't think you would have an issue. Add an item to the instance transforms. Well, not here. I should do it here. Get transform, get world, not get instance transform in the world space, and the instance is this one. Return the transform here. Alright, now I think I should have element transforms, instance transforms here, but I don't. Why is this 0? Well, alright. So for some reason I can't add to this instance transforms variable. I'm not sure why though. Okay, I'll ignore this for now. Compile. And let's go to the procedural editor utility widget. Maybe I should be able to do that here. Okay, let's try that here. Right, now here I have the procedural object and get procedural elements. Alright, and since this is an array, I can get a reference like this. The same instance, the same element that we are working now, but this is the local element and this is the global element. Alright, okay, now I'll add this one. Wait, there are two ads. Did I use a wrong ad there? No, add to array. Alright, add item to array. Okay, no, not this one. I need to split this and add transform, add to edit transforms like this. And the transform is this. Yeah, and after that, after everything is done, well, let me break this for a moment. I'm gonna recombine this and then split. No, break element here, then use it like this. Okay, and then when this one procedure element processing is completed, I'm gonna set member. The member I'm going to set is this oh no, not here. This is the variable I have to set. Set simulate to false, so that it will no longer simulate the instance placing. So yeah, this was redundant, this was not necessary. I'll change it back. Okay, let's see. Right, now let's check. Now there are no elements in this instance transforms. Where did I compile this? Compile, save, and run again. Start editing and finish editing. Okay, now we have instance transforms, valid values here. Alright, and also the update, so simulate, is also changed to false. Now I have saved the level, and let's see if we have the same thing. No, wait a minute, I can't check it just yet. I need to do some modifications. Okay, I hope that's enough. And finish editing. Now all of them are changed back to, oh wait, I forgot to clear this one, so we will get wrong results. Let me set simulate to true again. Right here, before going for this for each loop, I have to, not here, clear this instance transforms, otherwise they will be duplicated. Okay, now test. Let's test it again. Compile, save, run, start editing, do some changes, and finish editing. Okay, we have still 17 elements. Alright, now save the level and reload the level. Well, nothing is there, but we do have these elements. Okay, so that means I should be still able to make it work. Here, I must be doing something wrong. What's going on? Right. The problem is I forgot to set the static mesh of this HISM current. Set static mesh. No, I should do it afterwards. Mesh is this one. compile. Alright. Okay, now it is perfectly working. Now as you can see, I have reloaded the level and still I can see the changes that I have done. So if I want to reset this, all I have to do is disable this simulate like this. And now everything is back to normal. So let's do another test again. Select one, make it larger, remove a couple of them, make this one larger. Does this support removing? Yeah, it does. Okay, let's remove this one. Make this one rotate like this and large. Alright, and finish editing. Now they are back to instanced static meshes, and let's save the level and let's reload the same level. Now as you can see, the changes are persistent. Cool, so this is exactly what I needed. And I will stop this episode at this point. And yeah, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club, link would be in the description below. Also feel free to check my other third person shooter series, which is exclusive for patrons, and also you can download the source code for this project in the Patreon page. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.